is the difference in really, thinking about building games in a metaverse versus mobile games and video games that we're used to?
So I think maybe following on a point that Daria made, one of the things about the metaverse is that, following on what Daria said, sorry, the mic wasn't working, I think we think about the idea of inclusivity first and foremost. And then we look at that in the way that we think about developing software, because historically, all of our software has existed in silos. And I think one of the things that the metaverse, and particularly Web3, enables us to do is to bring down some of the walls between those silos so that content can interoperate. And once that content can start to interoperate, you can actually start to think about what it means to own a piece of digital property. Because if I own it, then I should have the right to do what I like with it and bring my stuff with me from place to place because it's mine and I own it. And so as we think about bringing down those walls and collaborating and creating this shared inclusive environment, then what we also do is we are able to enable creators, because we can create an ecosystem where creators can thrive because they have rights over their digital stuff and actually monetize that stuff and sell it and be able to see the fruits of their labor, not just in the vision in front of them, but through financial reward as well of the time that they invest in creating those things. And I think, obviously, I'm a little bit biased because we are shareholders of Sandbox, so I will leave it to Sebastian to talk about creators.
Sebastian.
Well, for us, we see our mission as really truly empowering players and creators. And to do so, we need to make the metaverse as accessible as possible. First, for creators, by providing tools that are like no code, just drag and drop. Imagine being able to build content just like manipulating digital Legos without any previous learning skills. The second thing that I believe is very important is culturalization. Like, metaverse is accessible, it's global, it's accessible from anywhere, but to appeal to more regular people, it has to be more local. Meaning, when we bring brands from Southeast Asia, from Korea, from Thailand, from Turkey, from Dubai, from here in Saudi Arabia, and we focus first on entertainment, culture, gaming, music, fashion, we appeal to the fans, we appeal to the younger generation, the Gen Z, who want to come and co-create experiences with their favorite brands or celebrities. We also think for the metaverse to succeed, it has to be fun. And fun means content, great content, new format of entertainment, new social experiences. It has to be deeply social and connecting in new ways, expressing ourselves with our avatar using emotes and other animation as a new form of expression. And ultimately, to also be meaningful and last, it has to be pushing for a real creator economy where all the users who contribute to build as well, to engage to the success of the platform are the first who benefit from that success. And so we also have the chance to speak with public government, administration, ministries, etc. And we encourage them to recognize true digital asset ownership as a right, so that anything you own, you create, you can sell it, you can recognize it, you can earn a revenue from it, and that's going to pave the digital economy for the next 10 and further years.